So hey guys, as you know, I always try to get together with a lot of my epilepsy friends, and we try to get out and play bowling. Um, Normally we try to get together once a month, and as you could tell, nowadays we've had to deal with the fact of the virus that is going around. But we still try to get together somehow, and this time around we decided to go bowling and have a good time. And I just wanted to let you guys know, try to do the same thing. Get in touch with a bunch of epilepsy friends or groups of people that you know, and try to do something. It's a good way of staying positive, and you're hanging out with people that have some of the issues that you have. But if you guys would like to do me a favor and leave a couple comments, or if you have a question, go for it. Just to let you guys know, I love it, so maybe you guys could do the same thing and get together with some people. Alright, talk to you guys later.